Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel, and today is the final boss, ChatGPT AI. In this playlist, like you know, I ask different AI with the same copy-paste text prompt, create the hypothetical crypto portfolio with the 10 tokens, and diversified 100% of investment. In our case, it's 10K by percentage in each token. And based on that research and the choices of AI, we create a portfolio and can track it in real time. You can just find the link on the description below and track each portfolio. But I highly recommend you guys understand it's for educational purpose, entertainment. It's I'm not recommending you just to follow blindly all of that recommendation from the AI. Also, we ask it to create the hypothetical portfolio because the AI is not allowed to give the financial advices. And during the year, in the summer, I will double check the middle results. And by end of the year, in December 2026, we will double check the winner. Which one AI creates the best portfolio by end of the year by gains. And if you ask, you know, and if you think all of this, AI use absolutely the same tokens, you'll be surprised because all of them, yes. And if you think all of these AI include absolutely identical tokens, you'll be surprised, but all of them add totally different ones. Yes, some of them like Ethereum, Solana, maybe in each portfolio, but I highly recommend you go and check the video about DeepSeek. You'll be surprised. All right, so let's create the final boss, ChatGPT. Create portfolio. So let's ask with the prompt. So you're the best crypto analyst, analyze crypto market now, create the best, not real, just hypothetical portfolio with the 10 tokens for the highest potential gains by end of 2026, based on risk, rewards, charts, fundamentals, split 100% between tokens up to your own analysis in percentage, and give me the list with a short explanation for each token. Why do you think it's good token for this portfolio? Table like a token and a percentage. And also while the ChatGPT is thinking, I recommend you join free Telegram channel, you know, and after each video, I drop the PDF with detailed explanation for each AI. Wow. I'm surprised. A little pepper. Little pepper. Guys, what is a little pepper? ChatGPT, are you serious? So this is the first AI which give us the meme. I never heard about a little pepper. I would be surprised if the little peppers could rocket to the moon and bring us the thousands, because 10%. Kind of strange. Emerging DeFi AI similar. We need to ask the additional question about which one token is here from DeFi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 8% we should ask. So this is explanation, and yes, need to ask about the last one. All right, so let's add a BTC. BTC, 18%. BTC, so it's the condition, guys, we use like 10K. Next one is Ethereum, 15%, so yes, makes sense. I also think Ethereum can be a good one. But of course, everything depends on your initial deposit. Sol, 12. Nice. All right, so 1,200. Next one is a Chainlink. Yes, I totally agree with the ChatGPT. I guess the link is a promising token for this cycle. 8%, I guess. Am I correct? 8 and the Polygon 7. This is a second, by the way, AI which add the Polygon poll into the list. Poll 7%, and the XRP 6. And I guess this is the first one which added the XRP. I can be wrong, but 6. All right, next one, Toncoin. No one AI added the Toncoin before. Kind of interesting choice. 6 ton. 600 into ton. Done. Next one is Arbitrum 10. 10%. Arbitrum 10. 1K. Lil Pepe. I never heard about this token, guys, just to be honest. Do we have a Lil Pepe? Which one Lil Pepe we have to add it? 1K. 22 millions. Interesting one. And can we add the Ozakin AI? But there is no price. It's not tradable. Give me another one. Ciao. Maybe the ChatGPT knew something. Why he chose the Ozak AI? Have to double check it. Kinda interesting. All right, whatever. So let's add the Tau. BitTensor 8%. All right, 8%. So yes, I kind of confused about the ChatGPT choices. But we will see. We'll see. I'll be surprised if that bet about a Lil Pepe will play out. So guys, link to this portfolio I will leave under the description below, so you can during the year, time to time, just follow this portfolio, time to time, double check this portfolio and track it in real time, you know, how the tokens perform. I repeat again, guys, it's for education purpose, just for entertainment. So don't try to repeat it at home with real money. By end of the year, we'll double check the winner. I hope you like this video. Write please in the comments your favorite 10 tokens, top performers. If you would like to subscribe channel and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.